peanut butter and avocado with extra pickles.
Hello and welcome back to Kooks. Toppings on this one: peanut butter, avocado and extra pickles.
Okay, so with this peanut butter, avocado and pickles one, I'm going to split this in half. One half, the sauce is going to be peanut butter, and then the other half, it's going to be regular tomato. Then we'll have a little sprinkling of mozzarella cheese, then some avocado. Just going to put this on in little chunks. And then we want some pickles. And then on the side with just the tomato, we're going to add some little bits of peanut butter. There's some blobs. This is actually crunchy peanut butter because the last one was smooth, so I thought we'd make this side a little different. A very small little sprinkling of cheese on top of this.
Weird pizza? What's your pleasure?
I'd like to order a pizza, peanut butter and avocado with extra pickles.
Extra pickles? I see.
I could actually eat that. That's not even that bad. And it actually works. I think it's because of the peanut butter, but yeah, that works. I actually quite like that. So now let's try the side with the crunchy blobs of peanut butter on top of a tomato base. Not as nice. That's nowhere near as nice.